The question says if you can fill 3 bottles from 1 liter of water, then we can fill 21 bottles from dash liters of water. And then you have been given 4 options. So it says you have got 3 bottles, suppose 1 bottle, 2 bottle and 3 bottle. These 3 bottles can be filled from 1 liter of water. Now there are 21 such similar bottles and you need to fill them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. There are 21 such bottles. There are 21 such bottles and 21 bottles. So 21 bottles need to be filled. So how many liters are required? How many liters of water is required? So you see over here 3 bottles can be filled with 1 liter of water. So we can easily solve these if we think like this. How many 3 bottles are there in 21 bottles? How many group of 3 bottles? So these 3 bottles requires 1 liter. Another 3 bottles require 1 liter. If the question would have been say there are 6 bottles, then you would have required 1 plus 1 2 liters of water to fill, but you have got 21 bottles. So how many 3 such bottles are there in the group of in the total 21 bottles? I mean to say how many group of 3 bottles, or you can say how many 1 liters are there in 21 bottles. So let me write down number of group of 3 bottles. Remember this thing, group of 3 bottles in 21 bottles is equal to 21 divided by 3. So this will give you 7. 3 sevens are 21. So there are 7 group of 3 bottles in total 21 bottles. And each group, there are 7 such group. This is one group, this is second group, and there are such 7 groups. And each group, that means 3 bottles can be filled with 1 liter of water. Can be filled with 1 liter of water. So one group of 3 bottles requires how many liters? 1 liter of. So for 7 groups of 3 bottles, we require 1 liter into 7 is equal to 7. So the answer over here is B, that is 7 liters of water. Now if the question would have been if we can fill 3 bottles from 2 liters of water, or say 2 liters of water, then we can fill 21 bottles from, we would have found out one group of 3 bottles 2 liters, then 7 group of 3 bottles would have been equal to 7 into 2, that is 14 liters. So this is how you need to solve such type of questions. For this a little bit of thinking and practice is required. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you. Keep practicing.